Good day, students. Welcome to Let's Learn. Today we are going to learn transformation of sentences. As soon as I started teaching, the doorbell rang. No sooner did I start teaching than the doorbell rang. Hardly had I started teaching when the doorbell rang. Can you guess what I'm going to do today? Yes, you are right. We are going to learn transformation of sentences. That is, how to change adverb clause of time beginning with as soon as into adverb clause starting with no sooner then and vice versa. And we are also going to learn how to use hardly had. So shall we begin? Okay students, you may be asked to combine sentences using as soon as, no sooner or hardly had. So let's see how we are going to combine two sentences using these phrases. Okay, so let's take the first example. He drank the juice, he fell unconscious. So how are you going to combine these sentences using as soon as? As soon as he drank the juice, comma, he fell unconscious. So you see the sentences are in the past tense. So you retain the same tense and you write drank. Quite simple. As soon as he drank, same, comma, he fell unconscious. But if you have to use no sooner, you have to be a little more careful. Because, let's see why. No sooner did he drink the juice, then he fell unconscious. Here in this sentence, we are going to use the auxiliary did plus we are going to use the base form of the word drank, that is drink. So no sooner did he drink the juice and then you're going to put the word then he fell unconscious. The rest of the clause remains the same. Then he fell unconscious. Now be careful when you write the spelling of then, because most students make mistake. They write THEN instead of THAN. So be careful with the spelling. If you have to combine these sentences using hardly had, then how would you do that? Let's see. Hardly had he drank the juice when he fell unconscious. So you see here we are going to use had plus the past participle form of drank, that is drunk, and then you're going to put the word when and the rest of the sentence remains the same. He fell unconscious. Hardly had he drunk the juice when he fell unconscious. So it's quite simple. If you compare these structures and bear the differences in mind, it's a very easy thing to do. So let's see how to remember this. You are going to use as soon as, you are going to use the past form and then put a comma. But when you are going to use no sooner, you are going to use did, that is an auxiliary, plus the base form, that is always the present form. So the base form of drank is drink, and then you're going to use the word then, THAN, and the rest of the sentence remains the same. When you're going to use hardly, remember you have to use the past participle form. Had plus past participle, and then don't forget to use the word when. So the difference is very simple. First, as soon as past, no sooner, did plus the present form, that's the base form, and hardly had plus the past participle form. Okay, so it's quite simple. As we do more sentences, you will get the hang of it. So shall we start?
Let's take another example. He began to sing, the audience clapped. Let's see how to combine these sentences using as soon as. As soon as he began to sing, the audience clapped. Now the verb began is in the past tense. So you have to retain the same verb form began and then put a comma. When you have to do it with no sooner, then you are going to write no sooner did he begin to sing, then the audience clapped. So here the word began is in the past tense. So you are going to use did, which is an auxiliary, and begin, which is the base form. So whenever you use did, remember you have to use the base form of the verb. And then you're going to put the word then. Let's take another sentence with hardly had. The same sentence, when you're asked to interchange with hardly had, it would be like this. Hardly had he begun to sing when the audience clapped. So had and then begun, which is in the past participle form. And then you're going to use when. Let's practice a few more examples. Let's see how to do sentences which are in the present tense. And if the first person or second person pronoun is used. As soon as you write it down, send it to me. If you're asked to write it with no sooner, it will be like this. No sooner do you write it down, then you send it to me. So here, the word write is in the present tense. Therefore, you are going to use the word do, not did. Not did, which is in the past. Do, the present form. And then you have to put the pronoun you and here the base form of the word write. And then you're going to put the word then. If third person singular pronoun is used, then you're going to do it like this. Let's take this example. As soon as she writes it down, she publishes her article. She writes because she is in the third person singular. So, how are you going to do it? No sooner does she write it down, then she publishes it. So, you are using auxiliary does and write, which is a base form, and the word then. Let's see how to do when the verb is in the passive voice. He was called, he went to the office. As soon as he was called, he went to the office. Now you have kept was called, which is in the passive, the same, and then you have put a comma. If you have to use no sooner, it will be like this. No sooner was he called, then he went to the office. Let's take few more examples. As soon as he stepped out, the people garlanded him. Now look at the word stepped. So you're going to do it like this with no sooner. No sooner did he step out, then the people garlanded him. Now you have used did here because the verb stepped is in the past tense. And then you have used step, which is the base form. No sooner did he climb the tree than the fruit fell down. As soon as he climbed the tree, the fruit fell down. Now you should know vice versa as well. If no sooner is given, you should know how to do it with as soon as. Since we see the auxiliary did, which is in the past, and the base form, you know that the sentence, when you have to write it with as soon as, you will write it with the past form of the word climb. As soon as the bell rang, the children rushed out of the classroom. Now, if you have to write the same sentence using hardly had, then you are going to do it like this. Hardly had the bell rung when the children rushed out of the classroom. You are using had plus the past participle form, that is rung here, and then the word when. As soon as the bell rang, the children rushed out of the classroom. Let's see how to do it with no sooner. No sooner did the bell ring than the children rushed out of the classroom. So rang is in the past, so you are using the auxiliary did with the base form ring. As soon as he stands, you have to sit down. Now this is an example with the present tense. So you're going to do like this. No sooner does he stand, then you have to sit down. So I have used does here because there is third person singular pronoun, that is he there. So does he stand, which is the base form, then you have to sit down. See, this is in the present. Okay, stands is in the present and that's why does is used. Let's take some more examples. As soon as she saw the ball, she grabbed it. Now look, the sentence is in the past tense. So how will you write it with no sooner? You can also pause the video after every question and then check the answer. Yes, no sooner did she see the ball, then she grabbed it. So we have used the auxiliary did plus the base form see here and then the word then. Hardly had she. Can you complete it now? Yes, hardly had she seen the ball when she grabbed it. Let's take another example. No sooner did he declare the result, then they raised objections. Can you interchange with as soon as? Try it. As soon as he declared the result, comma, they raised objections. Isn't it quite simple? Now try it with hardly had. Let's see if you can do it. Check your answer. Hardly had he declared the result when they raised objections. I'm sure with practice you will be perfect. Therefore, here we have some more sentences for you to practice. So please do practice these sentences and be perfect.
As soon as you finish this lesson, please practice it. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye-bye.